Hey Mia, are you driving to the office today?
Hi, Liam. Yes, I am. Why do you ask?
My car won't start. Can I ride with you?
Of course, I have space. What time do you need to leave?
Around 8 a.m. Is that okay?
Perfect. I'll pick you up at 7:50.
Thank you so much, Mia.
No problem, Liam. Happy to help.
Excuse me, where should I wait before boarding?
Let me check your ticket. What flight are you on?
It's flight 215 to Singapore.
Great. You'll be waiting at gate C4.
Thank you. Is there a place to sit near the gate?
Yes, there are plenty of seats and a coffee shop nearby.
That sounds nice. How early should I be at the gate?
Please be there at least 30 minutes before departure.
Got it. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Excuse me, could you help me find the bus to the city center?
Of course. Do you mean the airport shuttle bus?
Yes, that's the one. Where can I catch it?
You can find it outside Terminal 1. Just follow the signs.
Great, thank you. How often does it run?
Every 20 minutes. Where in the city are you heading?
I'm going to the central train station. Does the bus stop there?
Yes, it does. Are you catching another train after that?
Yes, I have a connection to another city. Is the bus usually on time?
Most of the time, yes, but it's good to leave a little early.
Good idea. How much is the ticket?
It's £8 and you can pay on the bus.
Hi, excuse me, do you know how to use this ATM?
Hi, yes, I can help. Are you trying to withdraw cash?
Yes, but it's my first time using one.
No problem. First, insert your card here.
Okay, then what do I do?
Enter your PIN, then choose Withdraw.
Got it. Can I check my balance too?
Yes, just select Balance Inquiry on the screen.
Thank you, you're very kind.
You're welcome. Happy to help.
Hi, welcome to Sunny Cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a nice latte, please.
Sure thing. And how about you?
I'll have a hot cappuccino, please.
Great choices. Do you want any pastries with that?
No thanks, I just want the coffee. How about you?
I'm good too, just the cappuccino. Do you always drink iced coffee?
Yeah, I love it. Even when it's cold outside.
That's funny. I prefer something warm.
Perfect balance then. One cold, one hot. Your drinks will be ready soon.
Hi. Do you come to this gym often?
Yeah, I try to work out here 3 times a week. How about you?
I just started last week. I'm trying to get in shape and eat healthier.
That's great. Remember, food is just as important as exercise.
Really? What do you usually eat?
Mostly chicken, rice, and vegetables. I also drink lots of water.
Sounds simple enough. Maybe I'll try that too.
You should. It really helps with energy and recovery.
Thanks, bro. You've given me good motivation.
No problem. See you around, bro.
Good afternoon. Can you help me find a book?
Of course. What book are you looking for?
I'm looking for a book about world history.
We have many. Do you want something for beginners?
Yes, something easy to understand.
Great! Follow me. There's a section just for that.
Thank you. Can I borrow it for 1 week?
Yes, you can borrow it for up to 2 weeks.
That's perfect. Do I need a library card?
Yes, but I can help you make one now.
Hello. Can I buy a ticket to Central City?
Hello? Yes, one way or round trip?
One way, please. When is the next train?
The next train leaves at 10:30 a.m.
Perfect. How much is the ticket?
It's $15.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap your card here.
Done. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.
Hi, Ben. How are you enjoying the beach?
Hi, Anna. I love it. The weather is perfect. How about you?
I'm really enjoying it too. Did you go swimming already?
Yes, I did. The water was warm. Have you tried swimming?
Not yet, but I will soon. What did you bring for lunch?
I brought some sandwiches and fruit. What about you?
I brought fried rice and some juice. Do you want to play volleyball later?
Sure, that sounds fun. Do you have the ball?
Yes, I do. Can we play after we eat?
Of course. Let's rest a bit first, then play.
It's been such a long day, hasn't it?
Yes, I'm really tired. Work was so busy today.
I know. You should rest well tonight.
I will. How was your day, love?
It was nice. I finished reading my book.
Oh, that's great.
All right, but now let's get some sleep.
Good night, Emma. I love you.
Good night, David. I love you too.
Hello. I'd like to buy a bus ticket to Greenfield, please.
Sure. One way or round trip?
Just one way. What time is the next bus?
The next bus leaves at 2:30 p.m.
Great. How much is the ticket?
It's $12. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
All right. Please insert your card here.
Done. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Hi, we're looking for a new sofa. Do you have some options?
Hello. Yes, we do. What style are you looking for?
We want something modern, but also very comfortable.
I understand. Do you like leather or fabric?
Fabric sounds nice, but it should be easy to clean.
Great choice. Let me show you this gray fabric sofa.
Oh, it looks nice. Is it soft to sit on?
Yes, it has extra cushions for comfort.
How much does this sofa cost?
It's $600, and we offer free delivery.
That's good. Can we choose another color?
Yes, we also have it in blue and beige.
Perfect. We'll take the beige one. Thank you.
Good morning. Do you sell LMPV cars here?
Good morning. Yes, we have several models available.
That's great. Can you show me the newest model?
Of course. Please follow me. This one is our latest LMPV.
Wow, it looks nice. How many seats does it have?
It has 7 seats, perfect for a family.
That's good. How about the price?
The price starts from $20,000.
Does it come with a warranty?
Yes, it comes with a 3-year warranty.
Okay, I will think about it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, sir. Please let me know if you have more questions.
Hi, did you enjoy your meal today?
Yes, it was very good. How much is the total?
Your total is $18.75. Will you pay with cash or card?
I'll pay with card. Can I get a receipt?
Of course. Would you like it printed or emailed?
Printed, please. Do you have a tip jar?
Yes, it's right here. Thank you. Would you like a copy of the menu?
Yes, I'd love one. What time do you close tonight?
We close at 9 p.m. Will you visit us again?
Definitely. I'll bring my family next time.